Hello students, in today's class we learned SQL. It is our class number 27. So let's start SQL. So before we understand what is SQL, we have some definition. First definition now is field. Field is a least unit of a database where actual data will be stored, like Ram, Ajmer, 5000, etc. In about table, we have four column: EMP ID, name, city, and salary, where we have EMP ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one value or name equal to Ram is known as field. So our smallest unit is known as a field. Second definition is record. Record is a group of related field, like EMP ID is 4, his name is Vijay, his city is Byawar, and salary is 5000. This row is known as record, which is a group of related field. In relation database management system, it is also known as tuple. So record is also known as tuple. Now we have third definition, attribute. So column is also known as attribute. It means vertical area is known as attribute. Like we have in above table, we have 4 attributes: EMP ID, EMP name, city, and salary. So we have 4 attributes. So attribute is also known as column. Next definition is table. Table is group of records and it is also known as relation. So it is known as a table. Very next definition is database. Database is group of tables. So we can have multiple table, and group of multiple table is known as database. So we move. Another definition is degree. The degree is the number of attributes in a table. So in above table we have 4 attributes: EMP ID, name, city, and salary. So its degree is 4. So number of column in a table is known as degree. In above table we have 4 columns, so its degree is 4. Next definition is cardinality. Cardinality is the number of row or a tuple in a table. So in above example we have 5 records, so its cardinality is 5. So number of record is known as a cardinality of a table. So its cardinality is equals to 5. So we understood field, record, attribute, table, database, degree, and cardinality. These are the basic definition while we want to learn SQL. So another definition is DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a system or a software which allows you to insert, delete, update, display data from a database. So full form is Database Management System. So a software which allows user to insert, delete, update data from a database is known as DBMS. So first we start today SQL. So it stands for Structured Query Language. It is a query language which has following sub language. So SQL is a query language which has 4 type of sub language. First is DDL, second is DML, third is DQL, and fourth is DCL. So first is DDL. It stands for Data Definition Language. It is used to create table, update table structure, delete table with structure. It has following command: it has following three commands: create, alter and drop. So if you want to create new table or delete a table or update table structure, then we can use following command. Second is DML. It stands for data manipulation language, DML. It is used to manipulate data. It is used to insert, delete, update data from a table. To insert, delete, update data, we have following three commands: insert, delete, update. Third is DQL. It stands for data query language. It is used to retrieve data from a table. So if you want to display data from a table or retrieve data from a table, we will use following command. So we have only single command: select. DCL, third is DCL, data. Fourth is DCL, data control language. It is used to secure data of a table. A user can give permission to other user or revoke permission from other user. So if you want to secure data from other user, or if you want to give permission to another user, that time we will use data control language. So we have two commands, grant and revoke. One by one we will learn all commands. So our first command is create. So create is a DDL command which is used to create table in a SQL. In a SQL we want to create new table, that time we will use create command. So how we can create table in a SQL, we will learn by the following example. So create table and whatever table name we want. So I am writing table employee, enter bracket, what field you want. So I create EMP ID. EMP ID is numeric, so we write here number and we give size. So EMP ID can be up to 4 digit. Next is name. Name is alphabet, so its type is varchar. City, city is also varchar. So 10 is denoted size, so we can take up to 10 alphabet. In city we can take up to 10 alphabet. And last is salary. Salary is numeric, so we write here number and we can take salary up to 6 digit. So table is created. So what is the structure of our table? Create table, table name. In our example we write here employee. Field 1, here I write EMP ID, field type is number and size is 4. Name varchar, size is 10. City varchar, size. So we can take many fields as much we want. So next command is insert. Second command is insert. It is a DML command which is used to insert a record in a table. So if you want to insert new record in a table, that time we will use insert command. So let's see. Insert into table name, whatever our table name is, employee, values. What values? So first field our is EMP ID, I write 1. Name, I write here Ram. So varchar is written in single quotes. Then city, city is varchar, so I write in single quotes. And second, last is salary. Salary is numeric, so numeric will be normal. So one row created. If you want to add another record, we have to write another command, insert into employee, values 2, Ajay, Ajmer, Byawar, 6000. So I can write again one time, insert into employee, values 3, Vijay, salary 6, city, Ajmer and 6000. So our next command is select. it is a DQL command which is used to retrieve record from a table. So how we can retrieve? First I write here select star from table name. So our table name is employee. So table has been created, all the record has been displaying. So select command is a DQL command which is used to print all records of the table. So what is the syntax? Select star from table name. This star sign is known as meta character. This meta character stands for all field of the table name: EMPID, name, city and salary. So how we can write? Select star from table name. So table name will be printed. So today we learned basic definition of DBMS: field, record, attribute, table, database, degree, cardinality, and definition of DBMS. Then we start SQL. SQL contains 4 types of sublanguage: DDL, DML, DQL, DCL, and we understand how we can create table in SQL and how we can insert new record and how we can display all records of the table. Thank you for watching.